years. I mean, I think it was a 78. The thing was still running. He's calling me the outside condenser fan's shutting off and it's running and shutting off. So if I remember right, it had some kind of queer device on that fan. Some kind of outdoor temperature sensor that was tied into that fan. And I'm hoping I could just bypass that thing and maybe get the thing to run. I mean, it's really old. So I know the capacitors on the thing were huge. So anyway, we're going to go over there and see if we can maybe see how bad it is. I don't want to put a lot of money into it because it's an old system. Real old. In the 70s. I think it was 75, something like that, 78 installed, so 50 years old type of thing, still running. I'm not even sure if it's 22. It might even be R12 in this shit. But anyway, that's the story. He's gonna meet me over there to his mother's house. Dealt with this guy before. I think last time there might have been a mouse nest inside the control box too, that we vacuumed out.
Turn right, North Street.
I remember last time I was over there complaining about how old the flipping thing was. Still working. I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on it. Not worth, if it needs a condenser fan, it's not worth putting it in there. If it's a capacitor, that's one thing, but if it's a fan, it ain't worth it. Not when it's 50 years old. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. It's going to be a helicopter type. Fan spins. How you doing? We're here to look at your unit. See if we can find out what's going on with it. Oh snakes, this is an old flipping unit. What year was it again? You said it before on the tag. You remember what year it was?
Was it last year?
No, what year was the unit?
Oh.
75 or something? It said on the paperwork.
Did he tell you it started up and then it would go off?
The fan, yeah.
Yeah.
He's supposed to be on his way here.
Oh, yeah?
That's what he said. Last time I had taken this cover right off or something. Capacitor in there. A tiny one. There's two wires that go to the capacitor down there, and then it goes to this, whatever this thing is. a sensor board. I don't know what the hell that is. Some kind of, I think that's for cold weather or some kind of temperature thing.
Are you supposed to cover those in the winter?
Say that again?
Are you supposed to cover it in the
It
winter?
don't look bad. I mean, it's not that dirty.
Yeah, because
See
it's
if I
covered.
can-
But somebody said you don't have to cover them, but
See if I can see what the capacitor's reading. Power's off. Get a reading on that capacitor. It's all kinda. I mean, it's not worth putting a lot of money into it. Capacitor's open line. Might be the capacitor that's bad. What is it? Yeah, it's open line. So the capacitor is an issue. 0 microfarads. I don't know what size it is. Say the tag's all worn out. Tag's all worn out on the microfarads. That's what it says on this tag. Fan, it says right there. It says horsepower. It's some label there. Might just be a capacitor if I can find out what size it is. $240. It's a quarter horse. Let me get a capacitor for it and see if I could get it to start.
do you want me to go turn it on?
Not yet.
Oh.
I got another capacitor here. I'm gonna put that on there and see if we can get it to work. Put a 5 on there, the other one's dead. I don't know what size it takes. I'm gonna try a 5 and see if a 5 works. I mean, what do you got to lose here, you know? Put a 5. Strap it in down here or something. If it works, I can strap it in down here. Get the power off of this thing right now, so. So I really can't get that other one out without pulling the contactor, so I just strapped another one in over here and see if it works. I'm not quite sure what this thing does, but You want to go ahead and turn it on? Go ahead. I did change the contact the last time I was here. The fan was stopping. The fan stops, so I might be able to just disconnect this thing. I don't even know what it does. It sends power 220 through that thing. So I could probably just disconnect that thing, be honest with you. One part of the 220 goes through it, see it? The other part of the 220 yeah, the 220 goes through this thing. I like to just disconnect the son of a bitch, be honest with you. Just disconnect that. One part of the 220 goes through this thing, whatever this thing does. It must be some kind of fan regulation bullshit, but we don't need it. We're going to just disconnect it. We don't need it. Might be like a modulator or some bullshit like that. Bypass the fucker. I'm gonna bypass it. Bypass it. We don't need it. Alright, so I'm going to have 220 going to the motor. And then the brown wires come through the capacitor, which is the way it should be. You turn on the air conditioner?
Yeah.
Alright. Hasn't pulled in yet. You gotta turn it on cooling and turn it down below the temperature of the room.
I don't.
You want me to look at it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I just bypassed that queer thing, whatever it is, some kind of modulating for the fan. Modulates the fan at a certain temperature. And, just put another capacitor in it for now. Unless you shut it off in the panel, but its contact hasn't pulled in yet. Where's the thermostat?
You're right. It's a new one.
It's on cooling.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's 78. I mean, you got to put it below this. You got to put it below the set temperature. The 73 in here it's set at 78. So let's put it on there and let's see if it works.
Okay.
Should have a
It
set
went
back.
up already. It went up to 73.
Running. I don't know what capacitor it takes, so it didn't say, but we got a 5 in there. Thing's dangerous, man. This thing back together. It's running.
I locked myself out.
You locked yourself out? How you gonna get in?
My sister-in-law has a key.
Well, that's something, huh? Never a dull moment. I'm gonna get this thing back together before I run it. I don't want to kill myself here. So we put another capacitor in, we just disconnected that modulating thing, whatever the hell it is, some kind of temperature modulating sensor or some bullshit. Don't need it. Like I said, there's no tag on the motor, so we can't even tell what size capacitor it is. Let's say is the guy got lucky on this one. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what that regulator box was doing in there, but yeah, it's R22 refrigerant, quarter horsepower motor, 220. I just disconnected that thing and put another capacitor. I put a 5 in there. Time delay 3. It doesn't say on the. I looked on the fan motor. The tag's all faded, so seems to be running.
All
Oh, it's running again.
All right.